Hello my lovely viewers, hope you all are safe and sound and welcome to the Tutor Academy with brand new tutorial how to make inflated text. And while you are waiting, let's jump into the tutorial. First, tag the text tool and start writing ZA. Click on the text panel and choose the chocolate bar demo fonts. And then tag the eyedropper and pick this color. Go to the 3D and material panel and click on the object and choose the inflate option. And then decrease the depth and right check the inflate. Click on the material and make the roundness 0 and increase the mirroring. Click on the lighting and increase the intensity and decrease the rotation and increase the height, and then come to the below and increase the shadow bound and increase a little intensity and make the softness 100%. Click on the plus icon and do the same process. Increase the intensity and decrease the duration, increase the height, and do this process again. Easy peasy, here you go, your inflated text is ready. Now the text is ready and you can write any kind of text and anything that will be convert and this. So tell me on the comment section, is it useful or did you learn this? Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned how to create inflated text. So don't forget to subscribe to your ZA Tutor Academy and leave your comment and like, share with your friends, and don't forget to take care of yourself and establish a stay creative.